Welcome to Speak the Language of Money, the platform committed to enlightening you about financial literacy. We're here to demystify the complex world of finance, making it accessible and easy to comprehend. Just as we learn to read and write, understanding the language of money is a crucial skill in today's world. We believe that financial literacy is not just about making profitable investments, it's about making informed decisions that shape our lives. At Speak the Language of Money, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and the tools to navigate the financial landscape effectively. We delve into topics ranging from personal finance to the intricacies of the global economy. Our mission is to empower you, to help you make sense of money, investments, and financial decisions irrespective of your background or experience. In today's episode, we embark on an exciting journey to understand the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, a term that is reshaping the way we understand and use money. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, in the simplest terms, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies. Unlike the dollar bills in your wallet or the coins in your piggy bank, these currencies exist solely in the digital world. But don't let their virtual nature fool you. These digital currencies are built on solid, complex cryptographic technologies. These technologies play a crucial role in securing transactions and controlling the creation of new units. Imagine having a super secure virtual vault that not only holds your money, but also helps to create more of it. What sets cryptocurrencies apart from traditional currencies is their decentralization. They are not controlled by any central authority such as a bank or a government. Instead, they operate on a network of computers spread across the globe. This network ensures that no single entity has control over the currency. Think of it as a financial democracy, where everyone gets a say, and no one person or organization holds all the power. Cryptocurrencies are also independent from banks and government regulations. This means that they can be used across borders without any interference from governments or financial institutions. Imagine being able to send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, without having to worry about exchange rates or bank fees. Now, that's freedom. Cryptocurrencies are more than just a form of money, though. They represent a shift in the way we think about and use money. They challenge the traditional financial system and pave the way for a new, more inclusive and democratic financial future. The concept of digital currency has been around for a while, but it took a revolutionary technology to make it successful. And that technology, my friends, is what we will delve into in our next segment. Stay tuned. Before Bitcoin, there were attempts at creating a digital currency, but it was blockchain technology that made the difference. Digital currency wasn't a new concept when Bitcoin entered the scene. In fact, early attempts like DigiCash tried to pioneer this digital frontier. However, these initial ventures faced significant challenges around trust and centralization. Imagine a world where you hand over your hard-earned money to a system that promises to keep it safe, only for it to disappear. That was the issue with these early digital currencies. They lacked a crucial element: trust. Without trust, people were reluctant to adopt these new forms of money, leading to their eventual downfall. But then came blockchain technology, the game changer. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger, a public record of transactions that is secure, transparent, and free from the control of any central authority. It's like a massive, global spreadsheet that everyone can see, but no single person can alter unfairly. This revolutionary technology solved the trust and centralization issues that plagued previous digital currencies. With blockchain, every transaction was transparent and irreversible, ensuring that every piece of digital currency couldn't be spent twice. This was the birth of trust in the digital realm, and it paved the way for the rise of Bitcoin. Introduced in 2009, Bitcoin became the first successful cryptocurrency. It was a new kind of digital asset, one that was secure, decentralized, and based on the principles of blockchain technology. It was a currency for the people, by the people, free from the control of any government or institution. Cryptocurrency functions through a unique process known as mining and transactions. But we'll delve into that in the next scene. For now, let's take a moment to appreciate the revolution that is Bitcoin and blockchain technology. They've fundamentally changed our understanding of what currency can be, opening up a world of possibilities that were previously unthinkable. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a system of validating transactions and creating new units. Let's dive into the functionality of cryptocurrency. First, we have mining. This isn't about pickaxes and hard hats, but a complex process where powerful computers perform intricate calculations. These calculations validate transactions, making sure they're genuine, and in turn, create new units of cryptocurrency. This is the beating heart of the system, ensuring integrity and generating supply. Then we have transactions, the exchange of digital value. Just like handing over cash or swiping your card, but with a twist. It's peer-to-peer, with no need for a bank or credit card company. And remember, these transactions are secured by the very same mining process we just discussed. Cryptocurrencies live in digital wallets. Think of these as your personal cryptocurrency bank account. From here, you can make and receive payments, whether that's buying a coffee or sending money across the globe. And it's not just about payments. Cryptocurrencies are increasingly being used for all sorts of real-world transactions, from buying a pizza to purchasing a penthouse. The applications of cryptocurrency span across various sectors. This is only the beginning of the journey, and the possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. Cryptocurrency is not just a buzzword, it's a financial revolution with wide-ranging applications. As more merchants and online platforms accept cryptocurrencies, their use in day-to-day transactions is expanding. This digital currency is breaking barriers, especially in sectors like remittances, where it's reducing costs and increasing efficiency. From buying your morning coffee with Bitcoin to sending funds across borders, the possibilities are endless. Cryptocurrency, a digital revolution, is here to stay. Understanding cryptocurrency is a step towards financial literacy and empowerment. This digital revolution has redefined how we view and use money, making it essential to grasp its concept. It's more than just Bitcoin or blockchain. It's a decentralized world of financial possibilities. The mission of Speak the Language of Money is to make this complex world comprehensible for you. Visit Speak the Language of Money for more financial insights and advice. Remember, knowledge of money is power. Until next time, keep speaking the language of money.